Introducing the new BlackVue app. A new intuitive tab browsing experience. In the Explore tab, you can browse content from the BlackVue community. In the Camera tab, you can manage all your BlackVue devices from a single place, whether you connect over Wi-Fi or the cloud. In the Event Map tab, view the crowdsourced event heatmap, play clips and contribute your own videos. In the Profile tab, you can manage your profile, browse our help center or contact our support via chat, call or email. For more information go to blackvue.com.